The All Progressive Congress don officially welcome the Governor of Delta State, Sheriff Oborevwori, plus plenty big men wey dey inside People's Democratic Party (PDP) enter their party. One of the people wey waka come APC na former governor and former vice presidential candidate Ifeanyi Okowa. Dis kind movement involve senior government people, Delta State House of Assembly members, local government chairmen, councillors and plenty grassroots supporters. E show say the political power don dey shift well for the state. As Governor Hope Uzodinma of Imo State dey yarn with Tori people, e tok say APC governors still dey solidly support President Bola Ahmed Tinubu and im reform plans. E come gree say the country dey face some wahala, but e still tok say the better part of the reforms don dey show small. Uzodinma come still tok say dem dey happy say some of their colleagues for other parties don reason am well and decide to join APC to help build better Naija. E come still confirm say the party go continue to make themselves strong for every area wey concern government for the whole country.
Meeting of progressive governors, we met and we had deliberations as to the welfare of our party and the goings on in the country. We resolved to throw our weight behind the policies of President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, the president elected under the platform of our party, and to strengthen and support our party and ensure that the achievements of this administration is brought to the knowledge of our citizens and to discourage those people that have decided to use blackmail and propaganda to want to dent the image of our government. We of the progressive governors are strongly behind the government of President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, produced by All Progressive Congress in Nigeria. And we are happy with the developments, that even though it has not been easy in the country, that from day by day, we are beginning to see the dividends of the various reform policies taken by the president. So we are very happy, and we continue to pray to Almighty God to give him the wisdom, the courage, the enablement to bring a more robust dividends of democracy for our people. Part of the decision taken by the progressive governors this evening is to congratulate ourselves that some of our colleagues that were not produced by our party have seen the efforts of the government of Bola Ahmed Tinubu and have decided to join us so that together we can build a more united and prosperous Nigeria. And in our party, we take the issues of subnational governments very seriously. As you know, the convention of our party, All Progressive Congress, having governors as the leaders of the party in all the states, having governors as ambassadors of federal government at the subnational level. So when a governor is crossing over to come into our party, we see it as a healthy development, and we see it as a reason to pat our back and say to glory be to Almighty God.
Make una no forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We no dey take blame. Oyifemi Onosimwa, TMC News.